Hello everyone. Today we want to program this X-Horse universal remote to a Toyota Sienna 2006. This is the chip right here. I just took the chip out to generate it. And then we're going to use the VVDI Super chip for the key portion of the remote. So let's go and generate the key. I already put it here, and then at the end of the video I'll put this chip inside the remote that goes all the way back there. Okay, so for the start we go through vehicle remote. And then here we find Sienna. These are the options. We should see which one is the one that we need. This one is the one that I need. So I'll go ahead and generate the remote. It connects to the device automatically. Now it's detecting the remote. The light is on, which means data is being transferred. Okay, that's it, complete. So now I'm gonna put the universal chip inside the remote, and then we will continue in the vehicle to program the remote first and then clone the chip. Now we are programming the generated universal key to this Toyota Sienna 2006. So we go through immobilizer, accept, then Toyota, manual selection, USA, and Sienna 2004 to 2007 because it's a 2006. Yes. Okay, we want to do the IMO status scan, so we need the ignition on with the original key.
Bluetooth connected successfully.
IMO status scan. Okay, no faults in the system. It has only one registered key, which is here, right with us. We are going to remote system because we need to program the remote first. Remote control learning. Insert the key. It is inside. Turn on the ignition and make sure that the driver door is open. So we open the driver door. Ignition is on. Okay. press lock and unlock. Okay, we do this. It learned it. The beep means it was successful, and also the device says it's successful. So that's it for the remote. We're gonna try it. I'll turn off the ignition, turn the key out, and see. Perfect. It's not gonna work because this vehicle doesn't have it. The panic button works. Everything is perfect. So now that the remote works, we need to clone the VVDI super chip so it can also turn the vehicle on. To clone the chip, I already put the chip inside the remote, so it's already there. I will need my mini key tool and the original key. So we go through transponder clone, read transponder, put the key inside the coil. Okay, it's clonable. You press clone and then start clone.
Please put original key.
Asks to put the original key again inside, which is there. Okay. Now we need to put the key inside the ignition, hold the device beside it, and turn on ignition so it can sniff the data.
Bluetooth connected successfully.
Okay, that's it. It has all the data that it needs. So now it says put the clonable chip inside it. I put the whole remote because the chip is already inside. It's writing it. That's it. So stop clone, and this remote that already lock and unlocks doors should be able to turn the engine on. We are gonna try it. So the remote inside the ignition, it does.
Mode.
The car is on
Bluetooth connected successfully.
and it stays on. Put the key away. Try the original key. This one works also.
Mode. Bluetooth connected successfully.
One more time I want to try the universal remote that we just programmed to the vehicle, and
Mode. Bluetooth connected successfully.
thanks for watching. Until the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe.